Dolphins. This family, 60 strong, are heading offshore to meet other pods and search for food. From the surface, their voices can hardly be heard. But beneath the waves, it's a different story. Within the family, they communicate using a complex language of high-pitched whistles and rapid-fire clicks. This lets them keep in touch on the move. But to send out a message to other pods, these dolphins have learned to take sound to another level. These are spinner dolphins, the only dolphins in the world to leap like this. Their acrobatics look like a visual display, but it's actually about sound. They're using the surface of the ocean like a drum. Their spinning leap creates a boom that travels through the water at a mile per second. It's an invitation to other spinner pods nearby to come together. There's also a secret signal in the trail of bubbles they leave behind. Remarkably, these micro bubbles left after each impact hang in the water for up to 5 hours. By following these intricately laid bubble trails through the empty, open ocean, other pods from miles around join the family. As the numbers swell, a superpod begins to form, 1,000 strong and up to half a mile wide. Together, dolphin families can hunt greater swathes of ocean and now use sound to socialize between the different groups. Incredibly, this is only a fraction of their chatter. Half their calls are above our hearing range, but we can now tune in to the dolphins' secret conversation and hear how they constantly talk to one another to keep the superpod together.